My name is Swathi. I am from Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering in 2023 from KMM Institute of Technology and Science in Tirupati. I joined Pyspiders in the month of January 24th. I recently got placed in NineStars Information Private Limited. Coming to faculties, sermons are taken by web technology and Python, SQL taken by Chandralekha ma'am, and Django with web framework taken by Deepak sir. Thanks to all HRs and faculties in Jspiders. Sarma sir and Deepak sir added me more than 10 requirements. I have attended 7 interviews. This is my 7th interview. I got placed this month. Before joining Jspiders, I don't know technically I don't know. After joining Jspiders, I know how to create web pages and how to do assignments. Thanks to all HRs and faculties.